welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. It's the first unboxing of 2019 and I'm very excited, and it is Pink Parcel. Now, for those of you that don't know, Pink Parcel is a monthly subscription box. It is a period box. So basically you get everything you need for your period in here. You can choose whether you want pads or tampons. There's lots and lots of different options on the website. But then you also get a little box which has got all goodies in it, like chocolate and tea and makeup and skincare and hair care and all good stuff. It is £12.99 a month with free delivery. You can cancel anytime you want, or you can then do like 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. I did a 3-month subscription just after my birthday. I think I used some birthday money and it was a voucher, and I ended up getting it for around about, I want to say 25 quid for 3 months. So you get free delivery, you save £1 a month and it's a one-off payment. 6 months you get free delivery, 1 month free and VIP extras, and if you do 12 months it's free delivery, you get 2 months free, a birthday treat, one-off payment and VIP extras. I don't know what the VIP extras are because I don't do it, but you can get them. So it comes, you choose what day you want it on, and I always want it at the start of the month because my period is at the start of the month. It says it fits through 94% of letterboxes. I've lived in 4 houses in the last 4 years and it has not fitted through any of my letterboxes. So the postman always knocks. But this is how it comes. It is a nice big thin box that's meant to fit through your letterbox, but it just doesn't. So it sounds weird today. I don't know what's in here. I'm excited. I've seen no spoilers. So it gets like this, and I will quickly run through. You got the Finale bag, which in here is I choose pads and tampons, so you get panty liners and some tampons in there, or you'll get pads if you choose pads. You get for night, which has your, you tell them how long your cycle is and you get your nighttime pads in there. And then you get your for later box, which has got, again, more pads and tampons. You can choose the brand you like as well, and they will put in the specific brand that you want. They used to, and I think they are bringing it back. There is a donation envelope that you can get with them, because I actually use a Moon cup now, barring a few panty lines and pads down there, but I don't use tampons anymore. But I donate my products to women's charities and women's refuges, because then they go to somebody that needs them. Like, there's lots of different things. I'll link a few down below if you need to donate anywhere, but Pink Parcel do usually have an envelope in them where you can then just say, I want to donate these, chuck it all in and it'll go. But there isn't one. There wasn't one last month either, and they said there would be one this month, but there's not. But it's okay. And then the box that everybody cares about is the For You box. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is what is in it. Let's have a little look. Where is my god, is that it? Is that it? There's not even, you normally get the pink post. I haven't got the pink post, which tells you, like a little magazine that tells you what you've got, which I haven't got. Okay, so we've got Percy and Reed hair, and this is dry shampoo. I'm always happy to get dry shampoo because I am a minger and don't like washing my hair, especially now that it's dyed. When it was pink a few weeks ago, so I really didn't like washing it. But it does dry it out. It doesn't get very greasy, but I do like to have this so I can get an extra day or so out of my wash if I want to. And Percy and Reed, from memory, ooh, yeah, it smells really good. So I'm really happy to have that. I'm always happy to have dry shampoo. Next up is a Black Peel Beauty Pro charcoal mask. Oh, it's a peel off charcoal mask. Usually you get the Pink Parcel post, which is a little thing, and it tells you how much everything costs and why it's in there, but that is not in my box. Let me just double check to make sure it's not been shoved in any of these, but it's, no, it's not here, so I haven't got it, so I can't tell you how much anything costs. Last month's Pink Parcel was really late, actually. I can't remember what date I got it. I'll put it on the screen, but it was super late, and then there were certain things in it that said that were going to be in it that weren't, and then there was things that were in it that we got an email like a day before saying, first off they emailed saying that it was Royal Mail that was making it late, and then all of a sudden it was a change of suppliers. So, and then I think they've changed hands, like the brand itself have been bought out, I think. So it looks like this month isn't a hasn't gone to plan either, because I've got no Pink Parcel post. So as a mask. I don't know how much it is. I've got a Polar Icy Magic Instant Eye Contour, and I absolutely love this. I've had this before in a box, but mine has run out, and I'm super, super happy to get another one. It is a, it's a roller ball, and it's just lovely. I love this stuff. It's so, so nice. If I can get it to come out. You gonna come out or not? Come on. Yeah, so it's just like a cooling eye gel that you just like rub around your eye. It's just really, really nice. And I used my other one until there was not a drop left in it. So I really, really like this. Love this skincare brand. We've got a Mud Masky Morning Boost Mask. So that's 2 masks. Energizing, revitalizing, lifting, feeding, hydrating, smoothing. Apply a thin layer to your face. Brush your teeth for 1 minute with your favourite toothpaste. Not this stuff. Wash your face with cold water. So this only stays on for a minute. I will give it a go. And it does look like it's quite full, because sometimes with the sample ones, you can sort of hold them up to the light and you can see there's nothing in them. But this does look like it's properly full. So you probably get, I don't know, 2 or 3 masks out of that, which is nice. You always get a tea every month. This is apple and blackcurrant green tea with vitamins. That sounds quite nice. I need the vitamins at the minute because, I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I'm a bit poorly. So that will definitely be used. And as I said, normally you get the little thing and it will tell you how much the tea costs and where you can buy it. But I don't know. I will try and search things myself and link everything I can. And there's another mask. So I'm not, 3 masks is a little bit too much, I think. I'm not happy with that. And it's a rose sheet mask. And I hate the smell of rose with a passion that burns deep inside my little black heart. It's a natural rose infused sheet mask, calming and hydrating. It's vegan, packed with superfood ingredients. It's really cool packaging. I love the look of it. I just hate the smell of rose. So I'm sure most people will love this. But this will not be being used by me. I will give it to one of my friends, or I'll probably do a giveaway at some point. I will keep it and put it in there. But yeah. And then there's chocolate. There's 2 tiny little chocolates. You always get some chocolate as well. I think these are just, what are they? It doesn't even say, oh, Cocoba chocolate. Cocoba chocolate is the brand, but I know nothing about it. They're tiny. I've got to say, I think that is the worst pink parcel I've ever had, to be honest. Nothing in it is bad, don't get me wrong, nothing in it is bad. The Polar stuff's good. I'm happy with the dry shampoo. But 3 masks is ridiculous in one thing. And then, like, sometimes you get like a whole little thing of like candy kittens or like a proper bar of chocolate. But this is just tiny. That's like, I'm sure it'll be yummy, but it's tiny. And then the fact that there's no pink parcel post and no donation envelope makes me quite happy that I've only got 1 more month of this, because I will, unless next month blows the arse off me, I won't be renewing this subscription. So just being honest, I'd rather be honest than say, oh my god, this is the best box ever, and then everybody be like, are you aware that you just unboxed crap? So no, I'm aware that it's not the best box ever, and I'd rather you guys could see that too. Pink Parcel used to be my favourite last year when I used to get it. Pink Parcel was always awesome. It was such a good box, but it's just stopped. So it's okay. Things will get used, but 3 masks in 1 box is not my favourite thing. So yeah. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Happy new 2019, you bunch of beauties.